Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Foster. I wanted to read a story to you today and see if you had the magic breath. Whenever you're worried or nervous or sad, I want you to take a deep, deep breath and let it go and see how that magic breath makes you feel better. So today's story is called My Magic Breath: Finding Calm Through Mindful Breathing, written by Nick Ortner and Allison Taylor, pictures by Michelle Polizzi. Do you have the magic breath? Let's see. Take a deep breath in and blow it out. Wow! You do have the magic breath. The magic breath is special. It helps when you have too many thoughts running through your mind. At the end of the day, there is a lot to think about. Sometimes when you are worried or nervous or sad, deep breaths can help push some of those thoughts away. Think about when you feel happy. Taking a big breath in and thinking about something that made you feel great will help you to enjoy your happy moments even more. It's magic. Let's try it out. What happened today that made you smile? Take a deep breath in and picture that moment in your mind. Get ready. Let's blow out all those happy thoughts onto the page. Now that looks like happiness. Keep blowing, keep thinking happy. Whew, that is a lot of happiness. I bet you have a big smile on your face. A big smile can make you feel better. But sometimes things happen that make you feel sad or mad. Did something happen today that made you feel that way? I bet it's stuck in your mind. Let's try your magic breath again. Think about what happened. Now keep it in your mind. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. Now blow out your breath here. One more time, take an even bigger breath. Remember that happy thought? Use it to push out your sad thought. Can you blow that sad thought right off the page? Keep trying. Make sure to blow all of the sad thoughts out of sight. Phew, you did it. Goodbye, sad thoughts. Do you feel better now? You used your magic breath to help you. Taking deep breaths in and out when you are sad or mad or worried or happy can make you feel better. Your magic breath can help you laugh and appreciate happy times. Magic breath can also help you when you feel calm, when you are not so happy. Instead of having your mind full of thoughts, at the end of the day, your mind is ready for sweet dreams. Let's do one big yawn together. Time to give your magic breath a rest. Sweet dreams until tomorrow. The end. Thank you guys for tuning into My Magic Breath. See you next time.